is going on YouTube? Today, if you don't know who I am already, my name is Kai Guy. I have around 50 subscribers. I think I'm at 53 right now. But it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to the channel. I do talk a lot about cars, car news, and hopefully I'll do car reviews in the future. And today we'll be talking about the AC compressor in a car and what its main purpose is. As always, if you enjoy the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get notified for another YouTube video of mine. And make sure to like the video again, as it supports me a lot. I know it just takes probably 5 seconds out of your day, but it really supports me and supports the channel because I know you like this content. And also comment down below video suggestions because I don't really have a set plan on what I upload, but rather I would like to know what you guys want, and I'll make videos on that. I created a new website as well, so if you want to check that out, link will be in the description below. You can donate to it, and if you donate, I will shout you out in the next video. Just leave me your name down below. So as you should know already, AC, or air conditioning, is basically in your car, and you can control the temperature from very low, probably around 60 degrees, to very high, probably around 80 degrees. So with that, you can, on hot days, you can cool down and not melt in your car, and on colder days, you won't freeze and die in your car. So with that being said, in order for the AC to work correctly as it should, it needs to go through the compressor, and it's a pretty vital part of it because it's pretty much the main core of it, I guess you could say. It looks like this. It converts the low pressure refrigerant into much higher pressure refrigerant. So the compressor is driven by a belt from the engine. I'll show a little picture right here. It's pretty much like an alternator belt or power steering belt or fan belt, things like that. It's pretty much the exact same thing as that. So if you think about that, you have this little tiny rubber belt that it goes on. It compresses the refrigerant based on the speed that you're going at. Say you're going 65 miles per hour. It's going to be much faster at compressing the refrigerant than if you're going at, let's say, 5 miles per hour or 10 just going down the road. The rate at which it compresses the refrigerant can also depend on the temperature of the air. So if it's 100 degrees outside, it's not going to be working, tip-top shape, but if it's around 60 to 70, it'll probably work way better because it's relying on the temperature in the air and your speed. So with that being said, there's not much else to cover on the AC compressor because it's such a little part, but it is a vital part to the AC system. Other than the fact that it saves us on very hot days and very cold days, it has no other purpose. So as I said down below, just put your video suggestions because I need more content, and whatever you guys want, it will definitely help me figure out what you guys want in the future based on videos that you're recommending and things that I do. I hope that you can subscribe to make me get maybe to 1,000 subscribers. That way I can contact dealerships and work out car deals so that I can actually test drive cars and give you a review on them. So without that being said, if you want me to do car reviews in the future, just hit that subscribe button. Let me know what car you would want me to review, plus your video suggestion. And with that out of the way, thank you for watching the video. Peace.